Want to make your rooftop garden more pollinator-friendly? Pollinators are critical for a thriving garden, helping our plants grow and bloom. Today we're sharing the top 5 plants that are irresistible to these incredible creatures. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 plants that you should have in your rooftop garden to attract these precious pollinators. First up on our list is the fragrant lavender. Not only does its delightful aroma charm the senses, but it's also a magnet for bees and butterflies. Plus, it's incredibly easy to grow and maintain. So, if you want to attract a host of buzzing bees to your garden, lavender is a great choice. Next up, we have the bright and cheerful sunflower. These radiant beauties are a hit with pollinators, particularly bees and birds. Plus, they're a breeze to grow and maintain. So, sunflowers are a sure way to make your garden a pollinator's paradise. Moving on, we have mint and marigold on our list. Both these plants offer unique benefits. The strong scent of mint is irresistible to bees, drawing them in like a magnet. On the other hand, marigold, with its bright colors, is a favorite of butterflies. These plants are not only great for attracting pollinators, but are also quite easy to cultivate and maintain. By adding mint and marigold to your garden, you are sure to see an increase in the number of pollinators visiting your rooftop. Last but not least, we have the beautiful coneflower. This plant is a real crowd pleaser, attracting a variety of pollinators from bees to butterflies and even the occasional hummingbird. Cultivating coneflower is a breeze, and its vivid colors bring a splash of beauty to any rooftop garden. It's not just about aesthetics, though. This radiant flower plays a key role in boosting the number of pollinators. By adding coneflower to your rooftop garden, you will not only add color, but also increase the number of pollinators. These were our top 5 plants for a pollinator-friendly rooftop garden. Lavender, sunflower, mint, marigold, and coneflower, each with unique benefits, can transform your rooftop into a buzzing haven. Why not give them a try? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.